हाय एवरीवन। चलिए आपको एक पैसेज करवाती हूँ म्यूजिक पे। एंड हाउ माइस ऑल्सो मूव टू म्यूजिक। अजीब लग रहा है सुन के, चूहे नाच रहे हैं म्यूजिक सुन के, बट देन म्यूजिक में वो पावर होती है ना, लाइक इट मेक्स एवरीथिंग ग्रूव। और पैसेज की वो क्या है, रूल्स, दे स्टे द सेम. Go through these points. I'm sure you are familiar with these points by now. So the topic is this: why even mice move to music. Genre is science, level is moderate, because the passage is interesting and the questions are extra interesting. One glance. This is what the passage looks like. Music makes you lose control. ये कुछ म्यूजिक की बात कर रहा है, जेनिफर लोपेज एंड एबिलिटी. ओके, दो लाइन का मुझे बुरा लगता है, वैसे भी ऐसा पैसेज होता है ना, बट कोई नहीं, चलो अगर है सामने में हैंडल तो करना है. 10 माइस, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट है. ओके, सो समथिंग अबाउट माइस, म्यूजिक, brain, profound effects, emotion, cognition, results, mouse, human participants, optimal beat. All right, cool. Okay, which of the following statements does not align with the passage? Does not align means 3 of them align, 1 is not aligning. ठीक है? Next, the author used the phrase sweet spot. Specific हो गया, should be pretty good. Which of the following is not aligned with the study published in the journal Nature Discoveries? So I need to go to that portion, the study that was published in the journal, all right, and take a look at that. So again, this is para-specific. बहुत मजेदार questions हैं, doable हैं. Which of the following is the conclusion of the passage? Conclusion के लिए तो we have to check the main idea, first and last paras. So these questions give me good vibes and I'm very happy. So looking forward to the passage. Music makes you lose control. Jennifer Lopez once sang on a hit that is almost impossible without bopping along. Means you start moving, you shake. I'm sure after this you're going to Google Jennifer Lopez and uska wo gana. Music makes you lose control. Okay. Now scientists have discovered that mice also find rhythmic beats irresistible, showing how they instinctively move. पर कहना क्या चाह रहे हो आप म्यूजिक और माइस दे करके? This ability was previously thought to be uniquely human. Okay. And scientists say the discovery provides insights. Okay, origins of music and dance. अब दो लाइन का ही सही है, but I know that after this he's going to just try to prove. Okay, ये बोला है ना, discovery provides insights. तो वो experiment बताएगा, beat synchronization, something exerts a strong appeal. Okay, I'm just skimming like this. TikTok, the study is one of the first scientific investigations. Okay, यहाँ ये publish हुआ, 10 mice. अब आप देखो यहाँ पे, I am not reading this. 20 human volunteers also participated. Why did I skip this portion? Because whenever there is an experiment or a study, don't read the actual study. Try to read why it was done or what was found out. The scientists thought it possible that mice would prefer faster music as their bodies, including heartbeat, work at a faster pace. By contrast, time constant of the brain is similar across species. ये find out किया उन्होंने. However, now this is important. उधर मैंने जितना स्किम किया ना, यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा सा पढ़ूंगी. However, the results showed that both the mouse and human participants had optimal beat synchronicity when the music was this. Close to the Beethoven's composition. Optimal beat this when this. Suggesting. So, however के बाद का portion ये important. Suggesting what? I need to read that. We share a sweet spot for hitting the beat. Means there is a certain level of the beat which is actually the sweet spot where all, like we and the mice, we share that sweet spot. The team also found that mice and humans jerked their heads to the beat in a similar rhythm and that the level decreased the more that the music was sped up. Level of head jerking decreased the more that the music was sped up. The music अगर हद से ज़्यादा fast होगी तो हम यूं थोड़े ही करेंगे. It's like, okay, there is a certain sweet spot where we all are going to groove along with the music. But ज़्यादा आप speed up कर दोगे तो ऐसा it will decrease, है ना, अपना आपका rhythm. Our results suggest what? This is important. Optimal tempo depends on the time constant in the brain. अब ये तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, यामामोटो जो भी है ये, इन्होंने क्या कंक्लूड किया? कंक्लूजन का क्वेश्चन भी है. द टीम नाउ प्लान्स टू इन्वेस्टिगेट हाउ अदर म्यूजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज सच एज मेलोडी एंड हार्मनी रिलेट टू द डायनामिक्स ऑफ द ब्रेन. ऑल्सो आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन द यूज ऑफ म्यूजिक फॉर अ हैप्पी लाइफ. कुछ है ही नहीं पढ़ने का पैसेज में. Straight away off to the questions. So, does not align, I'm going to keep it for later. Sweet spot सबसे पहले करेंगे हम. अब ये क्या कह रहा है? The author uses the phrase or use the phrase sweet spot in the context of what? उसने कोई एक certain level की बात की है ना? There is a certain suggesting we share a sweet spot close to the Beethoven's this. Had optimal beat synchronicity when the music was in this range, close to this, suggesting we share a sweet spot. इतना हमने पढ़ लिया. इसके बाद हम जा सकते हैं इस क्वेश्चन पे and we can eliminate. An organ that triggers the effects of music in mouse's body. It's sweet spot तो share कर रहे हैं हम with mice. Only mouse's body? No. A specific range of BPM for listening to music in mouse and human bodies. Okay, I'm going to keep this. An organ that receives the effects of music in mice and humans alike. Organ. Sweet spot is not an organ. It's a certain range, a level. So I'm going to keep 2 and 4. 4 क्या कह रहा है? An optimal response to music in both mice and humans. Now, what do you need to do? Just take one and go back and prove it. A specific range of BPM for listening to music, or it's an optimal response to music. पूरे passage में they are trying to find out the response. Okay, optimal beat synchronicity, close to this, sweet spot, jerk their heads to the beat in similar rhythm. This was talking about response, है ना? And then here such properties, melody, harmony, relate to the dynamics of the brain. So between these two, this is much better. Optimal response to music in both mice and humans. 4 is good. Now, should we check this? हाँ, ये हमें पता है exactly कहाँ पर है. Which of the following is not aligned with the study published in the journal Nature Discoveries? Okay. पहले देख लेते हैं एक बार वो. यहाँ है Discoveries वाला paragraph. So, in the study published in this, 10 mice were fitted with wireless miniature, fine. They were then played, okay, 1 minute, okay, fine. Different tempos, 20A, faster, okay. By contrast, surprisingly similar across species. और बाकी तो हमने अभी पढ़ रखा है. So now I'll go over to the question. इसमें पूछा not aligned. So true, true, true. There is one that is not aligned. Okay. Now, the study was conducted with the participants of different species. Okay, true. Mice and humans. The humans prefer faster music as compared to mice. Not sure. I'll check this. The mice have similar head movements to humans in response to music. This is given there clearly. Similar, right? The participants were exposed to 4 different tempos of the original speed of sonata. ये देख लो. 1 minute excerpts at 4 different tempos. ये तो दे रखा है इसने. और similar वाला prefer faster. The scientists thought it possible that mice would prefer faster music. Okay, but वो similar across species था. So यहाँ चलते हैं. Now participants were exposed to this. This is also true, right? Similar वाला हमने देख लिया. Mice have similar head movements का अगर आपको doubt है, I'll take you back. Humans prefer faster music as compared to mice. This is not given, so this should be your answer. In case you're left with these two, 2 and 3, you need to take one and go back and prove. Similar head movements, prefer faster music as compared to mice. Did they find this out? तो यहाँ बोला है इसने contrast this, okay, similar across species, time constant of the brain, fine, and then head movements jerked वाला यहाँ था ना. Sweet spot, the team also found that mice and humans jerked their heads to the beat in a similar rhythm. Level, okay, decreased, all right. Tempo, okay, fine. So ये तो इसने clearly यहाँ बोला है similar head movements, this is true and this is good as your answer. Faster music कहीं भी नहीं दिया है इसने. So two, दो कर लिए हमने. All right, let's check this conclusion. ये definitely करूँगी मैं. What is the conclusion of this passage? Music has the same effect on other species as on humans. Other species. Conclusion. Shouldn't the conclusion be connected with the main idea? So if it is connected with the main idea, it should be more connected with mice. पूरे में तो mice का ही दिया है. Emotions can be altered through music. This is rubbish. We are not talking about emotions getting altered. यहाँ पे जो कामोमोटो का बोला भी है ना, he says interested in the use of music for a happy life. Melody and harmony relate to the dynamics of the brain. So emotions, no. The optimal tempo for beat synchronization depends on the time constant in the brain. Okay. Conclusion. The optimal tempo for this time constant. Okay. Our results suggest that the optimal tempo for beat synchronization depends on the time constant in the brain. Okay. Optimal tempo for beat synchronization. आप यहाँ चल के देख लो. Beat synchronization depends on the time constant. This is given like word for word, जिसको हम verbatim कहते हैं. But दिया तो है, ये रख लेते हैं हम. Is the conclusion of the passage पूछा है. पता है ये एक और डाउट हो रहा है मुझे इसको लेके. ये जो है ना, this is a fact, this is a premise. I mean this is discovered in the study. तो ये conclusion कैसे हो सकता है? आपका ये बोला है our results suggest that the optimal tempo. So results जो निकला, results में ये पता चला optimal tempo. आपने certain set किया, 4 tempo पे आपने सुनाया उनको, 4 rhythm पे, 4 beats पे. एक certain beat पे sweet spot hit किया. उस beat पे which was something similar to Beethoven's composition original something. Humans and mice had the same kind of head shaking and head moving, all right, jerked their heads. So ये ऑप्टिमल टेम्पो डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइम कांस्टेंट, ये तो आपने एडजस्ट करके पता लगाया होगा एंड दिस वाज पार्ट ऑफ द स्टडी. सो कैन दिस बी अ कंक्लूजन? ये मेरा डाउट है यहाँ पे. माइस एंजॉय म्यूजिक एज मच एज ह्यूमंस डू. ऑब्वियसली ये तो पता चल रहा है यहाँ से, है ना, क्योंकि यहाँ बोला है was sped up, jerked their heads, okay, and here it says by contrast, time constant is surprisingly similar across species. Fine. Faster, possible that mice would prefer faster music. Okay. तो उनका like similar है, they enjoy just like we do. Okay. यहाँ बोला है investigate how other musical properties such as melody and harmony relate to the dynamics. So interested in this. All right. So mice enjoy music as much as humans do. We can also think of it this way कि ये faulty comparison तो नहीं है कि मतलब humans जितना हम enjoy कर रहे हैं उतना वो भी enjoy कर रहे हैं. But then this is given in the passage. वो sweet spot वाला जो है, jerking their heads at a certain sweet spot. From there we can conclude this, that they enjoy music as much as humans do. ये वाला चूंकि दिया हुआ है, this is a fact, this is a part of the study, I'll eliminate this. And if I'm left with 1 and 4, I'll definitely go with 4 because this talks about mice. ये कह रहा है same effect on other species as on humans. The experiment was conducted on mice. How can we conclude about other species from here? So between 1 and 4, definitely the latter is better. Okay, we are done with this and I think we're left with one question. Yeah. Does not align. तो एक ही false चाहिए. The scientists had estimated that the preference for the type of music would be similar across the species. Okay. Rhythmic movements to music come natural in mice. Okay. Emotions can be influenced through music. Can be. I have to check this. The scientists believed that synchronization to rhythmic beats were unique to humans. They earlier believed, this was unique. Music exerts a strong appeal, profound effects on emotion and cognition. ये भी मिल गया हमारा. Emotions can be influenced, this is true. So scientists believed, ये वाला तो है ही, unique to humans. I'll show you here. Okay, music and dance. Mice displayed innate, that is without any training or prior exposure. Okay, we got this. Come natural in mice, this is true. You believed ये rhythmic beats were unique to humans, ये वाला भी आपको दिखा दे रही हूँ, उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा था. Discovery provides insight into this. Okay, showing this. Mm. Mm-hmm. All right, mice would prefer. We share a sweet spot. Mm, I am just going to show you this. यहाँ पे होना चाहिए पता है. Mice also find rhythmic beats irresistible, showing how they instinctively move in time. Instinctively, इससे भी वो natural वाला भी infer किया हमने जो. हाँ ये है. Ability was previously thought to be uniquely human. Right, so we go to this. Rhythmic movements comes natural. अभी मैंने दो points से आपको बताया. This is true. Can be influenced through music, emotions का दिया है. They believed that it was unique to humans earlier, but then this experiment showed something else. So this should be false. And why? The scientists had estimated that the preference for the type of music would be similar across the species. No, they had expected it to be unique to humans. So ये और ये तो kind of opposites हो गए ना. So if this is true, this has to be false. So one is good as your answer. I hope all the questions and explanations are clear, everybody. The level of these questions was what? Moderate to difficult, I would say. Slightly tricky at some points, but then the passage was very doable, and true false वाले जो questions थे वो तो इतने मजेदार थे कि you just had to take the options and prove them. All right, thank you so much guys. Keep learning, and I'm going to see you in the next episode. Ta-da.